What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we're going to talk about Pandora. I was like, I've been listening to Pandora in the Telegram groups, and I was like, what the hell is Pandora? So I decided to go to CoinGecko and check Pandora out because I wasn't aware about this Pandora. So I was like, let me just check it out. So the trading volume is crazy, right? 68 million. The current total supply is only 10,000 coins. Okay, and guess what? So this thing launched, at least was listed on CoinGecko 4 days ago, on the 5th of February at 1,500 bucks. And guess what? In For the past 8 hours, so 8 hours ago, it reached the all-time high of 27,000. I was like, is this for real? So this is almost 150 X's. So imagine you investing 100 bucks. Okay, now you multiply 100 bucks for, let me open the calculator, 150. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. But that's one of those coins where you never know, right? So that's 15K. So imagine a person that invested 1,000 bucks. That's 150K right there. Okay? It's just insane. So the last 24 hours went from 14,000 to 27,000. I was like, how's that possible? How is that possible? And the thing is, this thing's not even listed on big centralized exchanges, right? So Uniswap, so it's only listed on DEXs. Okay, so it's not even Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, or whatever. Okay, it's not, but it's just doing crazy. I don't know what's up with this thing. So I decided to go to the Twitter. Twitter, he doesn't have much about it. He doesn't say much about it. 26,000 followers, and he doesn't even have a website. Okay, so I had to come over here to find a website where it takes you to this website where it's just I don't know, just a few words about this thing. So 10,000 avatars or replicants, and that's it. Okay, and that's it. And then you got a follow up for the X page and Telegram. That's it. I was like, damn, why in the world would you buy such a thing, right? Because there is no information about this thing. This is just a pure gamble, but a lot of people are buying it. So looking at the holders, 1,400 holders. Let me see how many people are following this thing. So 1,300 people are following this thing and 1,400 holders. Okay, that's insane. 74,000 transactions. Let's have a look at the holders over here. Let's see. So, okay, so it seems like it's well distributed. Okay, so everything is showing 0% for some reason. I don't know why, but it's showing 0.000%. And over here we can see who holds the most. So this guy right here is holding 139 coins. Okay, 139 coins, which is worth uh 3 million, 3.3 million, right? So am I reading right? Yeah, 3.3 million. And I bet this guy bought this. Let me do a deep research. Let me check this wallet. Let me see if I can find a transaction. So I only got 179 transactions. Um, okay. This might be a burner wallet because everything goes to zero, right? So it might be a burner wallet. So it seems like the tokens are getting burned because it goes from here to here. I don't know. I don't know, but this is crazy, right? But anyway, if you know if you have more information about this Pandora token that I don't know, let me know in the comment box below because I would like to know what the hell is Pandora, right? And why this thing exploded, went from 1,500 bucks to 27K. Actually, let me copy the let me copy the token address And let me see if I can find it on Dex Screener, because usually Dex Screener. Let me see Dex Screener. Let me see if I can find the lunch price, because usually CoinGecko has a few hours or days delay. Pandora right there. Okay, we can see this goddamn Pandora. Jeez, incredible. You can see this goddamn Pandora launched at, I would say 190 bucks. 190 bucks, okay, per token. And now guess what? These token went all the way up. So let me see. So 150 red flags right here, 65 cool coins, and 369 saying that this is fire. So let's go over to the token sniffer and let's see what token sniffer says about it. And I'm gonna wrap it up. Damn, this is crazy. 190 bucks. Nothing's popping up. Token is pending review. Great. Great. So let's open this one. So it has white lists. Okay. Ownership renounced. It doesn't know. Owner balance. Owner balance has 21%, which has 2,143 coins. Damn. 2,143 coins. 2,143 coins. What? This is what I need to. So this is 3. So this guy is holding 52 million, right? So this guy, so the owner has 2,143 coins, all right, which is about 52 million. And the market cap is 235. Okay, so if he decides to sell off, right, so there will be a dent, right? It will make an impact. So let me just I want to address right here. It will make an impact. Okay, it's just insane. Let me see if I can find it. Wrap if Pandora. Well, he only shows that he only has a few Pandoras. Well, no Pandoras. Mm, mm, let me scan. Um, let me go to debunk. Debunk. Let me scan his wallet. Let me see what debunk says. Right, 31 million. So this wallet, as you can see right here, 33 million is holding 33 million, right? This is crazy. So it has 666K in ETH, wrap ETH. I don't know. This is Pandora, I guess. And copy, I don't know what copy is. And then on Uniswap. Okay. All right. So the Pandora is here on Uniswap. So I guess he doesn't have access. I don't know. I don't know. But if he has access to this Pandora, he can pull out 33 million. Okay. 33 million. So it would cause a big dent. But anyway, I'm not involved in this project just out of curiosity, because I was like, what the hell is Pandora? And now I know what is Pandora. So this token was essentially 190 bucks, I believe, and now is 24K. Incredible. Incredible. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.